I am your Japanese teacher Misaki. 皆さんこんにちは。Misaki です。元気ですか? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn seasons, events, and month of the year in Japanese. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk, season your favorite seasons or events like a native. Let's get started. それでは行ってみましょう。Easy peasy Japanesey.
At first, we're gonna talk about 季節, the seasons. We have 4 main seasons in Japan. 4つの季節があります。春 spring 夏 summer 秋 autumn 冬 winter 春夏秋冬 In addition, we have 梅雨 the rainy season. It's usually about June or July. Those time of the year, it's before summer. It's most wet and muggy season. I'm gonna introduce some of the main events in each seasons. In spring, 春, we have Hinamatsuri, Hanami, and Kodomo no Hi. Hinamatsuri is on March 3rd, also known as a Doll's Day or Girls' Day. Hinamatsuri is a traditional Japanese festival that celebrates the health and happiness of the young girls. Families with daughters display a set of ornamental dolls, represent the emperor, empress, and their court, dressed in the Heian period attire. These dolls are often arranged on tiered platform covered with a red cloth. Special foods like chirashizushi, hinaarare, which is colored rice crackers, and shirozake, a sweet no-alcohol sake, and enjoying during this time. Since I have 2 sisters, we have 3 girls in the household, so my parents prepare all those decorations and foods every year when I was little. Ohanami, which you can enjoy on late March to early April with cherry blossom. Ohanami literally means flower viewing and is a traditional Japanese custom of enjoying the beauty of cherry blossoms, which called sakura. During the Hanami, people gathered in the parks, gardens, and their scenic areas to have picnic under the blooming cherry blossom tree. It is a festive time filled with foods, drink, and socializing. Hanami parties can be daytime or nighttime events, with the nighttime viewing known as yozakura, which is literally right, night sakura, yozakura. Kodomo no Hi is celebrated on May 5th. It is known as Children's Day. Kodomo no Hi is a national holiday in Japan dedicated to celebrating the happiness and healthy growth of children. Originally known as Tango no Sekku and focused on boys, it has now expanded to include all children. Families play koinobori, which is on the picture, carp-shaped wind socks, outside their homes, symbolizing strength and perseverance as the carp is known for swimming upstream. Inside the house, traditional warrior dolls and samurai helmets are displayed, and special foods such as kashiwamochi, which is rice cakes wrapped in the oak leaves, and chimaki, sweet rice wrapped in bamboo leaves are enjoyed. Summer, 夏. We have Tanabata, Hanabi 大会 in this time of the year. Tanabata is celebrated on July 7th. Tanabata or Star Festival celebrates an annual meeting of the deities Orihime, which is Vega, and Hikoboshi, altar, who are separated by the Milky Way. According to the legend, they can only meet once a year on this day, if the weather is good. People write their wishes on colorful strips of paper called tanzaku and hang them on bamboo branches, which are decorated and displayed in a home and public spaces. Major celebrations like those in Sendai and Hiratsuka, features parties and vibrant decorations. So if you have a chance to go there, you can get to see those beautiful decorations and enjoy the celebration. In autumn, Aki, we have Otsukimi and Keiro no Hi as a main event. Otsukimi, usually in September or October during the full moon, crosses to the annual equinox. Otsukimi or moon viewing is a traditional Japanese festival to honor and appreciate the beauty of the autumn moon. People celebrate by setting up displays with offering of seasonal foods such as tsukimi dango, which is rice dumplings, pampas grass, and other autumnal produce. Families and friends gather to admire the full moon, enjoy seasonal treats, and sometimes recite poetry. What's Keiro no Hi? Keiro no Hi is usually on the third Monday of September. So it depends on the year which they celebrated. Keiro no Hi, or Respect for the Aged Day, is a national holiday dedicated to honoring and showing appreciation for the elderly. On this day, people visit their older relatives, give gifts, and express their gratitude for their wisdom and contributes to society. Communities often organize events and activities to celebrate and support their senior citizens. Finally, in winter, 冬, we have Oshougatsu and Setsubun as a major events. Oshougatsu is January 1st to 3rd. And North America, Oshougatsu is so quick. It's only on January 1st. Then everyone goes back to work on the 2nd. But we're usually taking vacation till 3rd, depending on the company. New Year's Day, Oshougatsu, is the most important holiday in Japan, celebrated from January 1st to 3rd. Families gather to welcome the new year with various customs and traditions. People clean their homes, prepare special foods like osechi ryori, varieties of traditional dishes in there, and visit shrines for Hatsumode, which is the first shrine visit of the year. It is a time for family reunions, exchanging New Year's cards, which called Nengajo, and giving money to children in special envelopes. It's called otoshidama. Setsubun is celebrated on February 3rd. Setsubun marks the end of the winter and the beginning of the spring, and the traditional Japanese calendar. It is celebrated with a ritual called mamemaki, where roasted soybeans are thrown either inside or outside the house while shouting "Oni wa soto, fuku wa uchi," which is evil spirit away and good luck comes in. People also eat the numbers of soybeans corresponding to their age for good luck. Some regions practice a homaki, where a special sushi roll and eaten silently while facing a lucky election. I myself, from Kyoto, Japan, which is the west side of Japan, we do this tradition. We have to be very, very quiet, silent, while we finish whole makizushi, the rolled sushi. So it's funny, but it's a tradition, so I grew up with it. From here, I'm gonna teach you how to say the month of the year. So basically, this is easy with basic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put gatsu at the end. Start from January, 1月 February, 2月 March, 3月 April, 4月 May, 5月 June, 6月 July, 7月 August, 8月 September, 9月 October, 10月 November, 11月 December, 12月 Here is the whole month of the year. Let's count again. 1月、2月、3月、4月、5月、6月、7月、8月、9月、10月、11月、12月。Be careful for those 2 months. For April, we say 4月. We never say 4月. This is a common mistake, so please be careful. And for September, we say 9月 instead of 9月. We never say 9月, so 9月. It's my birthday, so don't forget. 9月. Those 2 months. All right. Lastly, I'm going to teach you conversation, the simple conversation. 7月に七夕があります。あります shows existence. 7月に七夕があります。We have 七夕 on July. When に event があります。So you can put any time or any events in the blank. Okay, other thing, you can ask the question. ひな祭りはいつですか? いつ refers to when. When is ひな祭り? ひな祭りはいつですか? The answer will be 3月です。3月です。It's on March.
That's all for today. Did you enjoy learning about seasons, events, and month of the year in Japanese? I hope you did. Make sure to practice and share your favorite season or event in the comment below. By the way, this is my latest Japanese lesson. Be sure to check that out too. それではまたお会いしましょう。See you in the next video. さよなら。